In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a wallpaper in Windows. So in order to do that, just do a right click somewhere on your desktop and then click personalize. In the next window, click this background option. In the background option, my default is solid color. In your case, it could be picture or slideshow. So anyways, you need to select the picture here, and then from the drop down menu, you can select any of the wallpapers that are here. And if I can show you now, my desktop wallpaper has been changed. But in case you want a specific color to be displayed as your desktop wallpaper, like this one, if I can show you that, you can select the solid colors also. Ideally, I keep this generally all black. Anyways, it depends upon your preference. And you can also select the slideshow, whereby you can add the images here, and then they will be you can select the frequency after how many minutes you want the image to change, and whether you want the images to be changed in a particular order or you want to make them random, and whether you want this slideshow to run on battery or not. You can also select this option, that whether your image should fit the desktop or not. These are the different options: fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, and span. So you can try for yourself that what you want to do. And by the way, you can select the pictures by clicking the browse and then selecting all the pictures wherever those pictures are. You can select them all, and then they will be shown as your desktop in a slideshow format, whereby every image would change after the time that you will select here.